What if I told you that there is a tool that can actually save you money, make you more productive, and maybe even make you money while you sleep? Well, there is. It is called AI. And in this video, I'm going to go over how you can utilize this for your business if you are just starting out, or if you are a seasoned entrepreneur ready to scale to that next level. So if you're ready, let's dive in. The biggest benefit of AI in my mind is time savings. I remember back in the day, having to write an email was just kind of a barrier. It was something that was kind of like I have to do that. This is the power of AI. Now, don't give it willy-nilly control and it's gonna write some random thing for your newsletter or your email. You're gonna give AI an idea. Give it a topic. You can ask AI for those topics and go through and be like, I like that one. I do not like that one. I have no idea what to say about that one. I like that one. And then feed that back into AI. What I love to do is create custom ChatGPT bots that are trained on my tone, the way I want my newsletter or my email to sound, and some background information about my company. So now it sounds like it's coming from me, not from AI. The next thing is utilizing AI to help you build high converting funnels. You can do this in a number of ways. Number one, by funnel hacking your competition. Ask AI what it sees as the angle, the pain points, what type of customer they're trying to target. What I love to do is I love to say, hey, this is my product, this is my funnel. Write it like Russell Brunson would. What's a hook story and an offer that I can put into this funnel? It helps to give me some ideas, some inspiration, and to see something that I may never have seen. So if you like content like this, then make sure to hit that subscribe button, that little thumbs up, the like, the notification bell, do all the YouTube things to help get this video out there, because I love to create content like this to help any type of entrepreneur who is maybe struggling in their business skip the struggles that I went through when I was trying to start out. The next thing is using AI for personalization. This is how I said, I train a bot to sound like me, to talk like me, to write like me. So when I need to go through and I have maybe an email or a newsletter that I wrote in some other platform, like another AI platform, maybe Claude, maybe Gronk, maybe ChatGPT, and then I want it to now sound like me, I take it to my custom ChatGPT bot. I call it Mad Tone, right? It's kind of my nickname, Mad. But I also can have it go to like a tone about my business, or have some background information about my business, or to even help me write a book. I can utilize AI to first create me a rough draft, and then to also personalize it so it doesn't sound like it's coming from a robot. We know when people write things in ChatGPT because it sounds like it. It's not the way we would talk. Does not say the things that we would say. That's why you got to take AI from the beginner, like the person who's thinking inside the box, and think outside the box and really leverage AI to work for you. Number 4, if you have gotten to this part of the video and you are not using AI, or you're not inspired to use AI, then don't miss the wave. I remember when TikTok was just coming out in 2020, and my online coach at the time said, you guys need to get on TikTok. And I didn't, because I didn't want to dance. I didn't know about the people who were actually leveraging TikTok for their business. I couldn't figure that out. I just couldn't think about how I would make that work for me. But you know what? I missed that wave. And now I look at TikTok and go, maybe it's a little too late for me to join. Don't have that happen with AI. You don't have to be the master of AI like I am and know every single program and write your own ChatGPT bots and your own AI assistants and your own AI software. You just simply need to utilize the tools so that you can be on at least the ride, right? Don't be sitting on the sidelines going, I'm not gonna use those stupid robots, right? Like, don't be the guy that's like, get off my lawn, kids. Just be open to the idea. Think about it, play around with it. How can you leverage this for your business? Because you know what? Your competition is, so you don't want to be washed away when the wave of AI comes and everybody else is 10,000 feet in front of you because they utilized it now. Maybe it wasn't perfect, maybe it wasn't ideal, but they at least learned how to use AI for their business. AI is changing the game by saving us time, by allowing us to build better high converting funnels on a software like ClickFunnels. Did you know ClickFunnels actually has AI built into their software? You can actually just Have AI build you a whole funnel if you want to. And number 3, do not miss the wave when it comes to this. We have one opportunity to learn how to truly leverage this for our business, to use this as a competitive advantage. Instead, we'll be just like everybody else, trying to catch up when it really does become the game changer that it is already on the path to become. So with that being said, my name is Madison. I want to help you skip the struggles that I went through when I spent $100,000 trying to learn how to play this game of online business and to become a digital marketer. So let me ask you, which strategies are you excited to try? If you want to download some of my favorite AI prompts, you can click the link down in the description. I also have 5 funnels that every entrepreneur needs inside their ClickFunnels account. It's a framework, so you can just plug and play and just change out the words. And also, remember, you can choose to work smarter or you can choose to work harder. It is all up to you. So you can leverage AI to work smarter and ultimately for you to work harder. So with that being said, I will see you guys on the next video.